Okay, hi, I'm Crispy. Today I'm going to attempt to pick the Abus 90/50 stainless steel and shackle protected. Nice lump, heavy lock. You'll see there you can't change the core on this, so it is what it is. Unfortunately, otherwise I'd like to take it apart and show you inside. Maybe not on this lock, but I'll do it on one of the future ones. So, just to show you this, here's the keys. And the key just turns, it's nothing, no sound, no clue, no anything. Silent and dead, and then just falls open. So, and it's key retaining. Shut the lock back up. Key done. Right, and here I'll show you the key. And the bidding, it's not crazy. But you know, with Abuses there's usually full of security pins. So let's get to it, shall we? There's not a lot else to tell you about this lock. I'll just crack on, other than I don't know if I mentioned this, but I did pick it off camera earlier on. Oh, you will notice actually, it's got a bit of a paracentric keyway here. So the top of the keyway is coming off to the right hand side. It's off center basically. So if there's a kink in it, it's the paracentric. So I'm going to go top of the tension, top of the keyway with my tension tool. And very, very light tension here. It's I mean, with Abuses, it's usually one pin in and two pins out, so it's usually a bit difficult. But that's why I like to go sometimes from the bottom. You can sort of get a bit of a lever off the actual the tension bar there. Very helpful. Anyway, I'm just going to move this to the side so I can get my arms around it. There we go. I'll get this. I'll get this sorted soon. We'll have a nice little workstation. Right. Okay. Here we go. So working our way through the stack, light tension. Trying to find a binder. So we're just going. It's a 5-pin key lock. Just going down. That's the first one. Number 3. Let me just pop that out. Number 4. I think number 5. Ah, there we go. We just got a little bit of a false set. Just let that focus a bit. You see, it's just gone off center. So going back through the stack. Here's the first pin, number 1. Did you see then the crap camera situation here? But as that's set in, I've got a bit of counter rotation on the tension bar, so that indicates it's a spool. So number 1 is a spool. I would think there's definitely more of them in there. Yeah, that's a spool as well, number 3. Might have just overset 4 accidentally, I don't know. Okay, number 2 is possibly a spool as well. Number 3. No, not going. Okay, number 5 back in. Yeah, number 2 is also a spool. There's 1, 2, 3 and possibly 5 spools. But without being able to fully enter it, I can't guarantee that. The clicking you're hearing, it's not serrated pins, it's the pick on the metal as I'm trying to squeeze them up without too much tension on the bar. Okay, we're close now. Then again, it's an A-bus, so they could start popping a few out. Okay, number 5 back in. Number 1's out and that's back in. Number 2, that's back in. Okay, so we are getting there. And there we go. Okay, so I'll just drop the tension there. I don't want to take anything out of shot. You'll see the keyway is turned. You'll see the shackles open. And the only way of locking it all back up, close the shackle fully and turn. Hear the clicks. So there we are, the A-bus 90/50 picked. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.